Today, I'm gonna have Claude Code install OBS and get me on live streaming and see if it can do that perfectly. Okay, so I just went ahead and asked Claude Code to install OBS and hook me up with a streaming setup. Okay, with all the things necessary to create like a live stream. So what we're gonna do today is I'm just gonna show you what Claude's doing right now. Okay, we just started asking it, so it's just running the process for now. It's only been the last 3 minutes, so this is exciting. This is really cool. This just shows you that Claude can just do anything on your computer. So it just asked me if I wanted to install the OBS Studio. So it's going to start doing that right now. So it looked like it got it from GitHub and all that good stuff. So let's run it and see what happens. Recently, I've been thinking about getting back online and going full steam on streaming, on creating content, doing my business, all that stuff. So I've been inspired. I got lit up by an old company, and now I am trying to make my way through the streaming world. So this is going to be the first step. We're going to have Cloud Code go ahead and install what we need. I asked it earlier what I needed, and it just started doing all the heavy lifting. So good thing that we have Claude Code today to help us set this up. Setting up OBS Studio is pretty hard, but we're going to have Claude do it because we want to see what the capabilities are now. So imagine you can do this for a client. Hey, you want to set up on social media and start doing live streaming? Here's your prompt. So let's see if we can make it easy for ourselves and things like that. Since we have mission control is pretty smart. It knows about my brand, it knows about my style, and it has a bunch of different things it can use in order to create the scenes. So what's cool about this is once it starts creating the scene, I'm going to most likely ask Higgsfield MCP to maybe even create some of the images for me. So we're gonna make a call out to Higgsfield if it's not already gonna do that itself. So I've asked the Cloud Code to always use Higgsfield for their projects and for things like that. So we always have some type of original photography and also, use certain tools in Higgsfield in order to get the results that you want since Higgsfield has it all. Okay, it looks like OBS Studio is installed. Now it's dropping in the plugin for the OBS program and then hunting for logos for the scene. Oh, look at that. All right. It just popped open. So it's going to start working in OBS and it's going to start running in the background and changing things. So let's see what it's going to do since it just brought this up. So it's going to start moving it or doing something to it. Let's see. Just close Descript, restart OBS, verifying plug-in and camera. So let's see. Oh, it might not work all the way because I'm actually using this camera, this webcam to record. So we'll see what happens in a second here and then see if everything working correctly. Maybe I have to turn on and off to verify that everything working correctly, but I would let you guys know. I'm gonna show you what Claude did, and I'm gonna tell you this was pretty much hands off. There was like nothing involved in it, and you can see that we got lots of cool things. So I got a starting screen. It made it off from my branding. I got look at this on point text solutions, a little live on the corner, and my little handles on the bottom right here my screen share. It even made my screen share here and even got everything for the screen share later. I couldn't even have set this up myself. It was very hard for me in the beginning. I cannot believe what Claude just did. So all I did was tell Claude what to do and it literally did it. So I just started telling it to make the things I wanted to make. So I told it to, hey, I need a matching banner and a screen share and one for the main scene. And it made me the set beforehand right here. And basically, I just used Higgsfield. I called on Higgsfield right here. Higgsfield generated the environment, the typography came from my branding. So it knew exactly what to do. It even went into my profile and went and grabbed and made images for me. So these two I didn't make. I had Claude make it. I think a little bit up here when I told it, there we go. I told it to make me an avatar, Twitch avatar, and a banner. So it went ahead and made all that for me. And and yeah, this is amazing. I cannot believe you can do it, something like this. And it's here's the Twitch profile and everything. And it's just ready to go. Even filled out the bio for me and everything. So really cool stuff. It even got the plugin installed. Right now I just rehooked it up to Twitch, but like I said, it's pretty cool. Let's start the stream. Let's see what we are doing. Let's go over to channels, videos, stream manager, and look at that. Up and going. We're ready to stream, guys. We are ready to go. Wow. And it looks professional. So, like, hopping on, you're looking pretty like a pro, okay? So, this is really, really cool. If you wanted to start your Twitch business, start streaming, you can literally get going in less than 1 hour. I just told it to install OBS. I told it what channels I want to run it on, and it made it all happen for me. I attached my Higgsfield to my Claude AI, and it made me all my branding images across Twitch and YouTube. Amazing. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you guys. Hope you guys start your Twitch channel. Hope you guys start making some money, okay? Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I'm Mike Lay all day. This is On Point Tech Solution, and we are out.